Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's episode, I'm going to share to you guys 5 bags from different luxury brands, and I am predicting that they are going to be the newest it bag of 2022. They are going to be hot, and would be very difficult to get. So we have from brands such as Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Fendi, Balenciaga, and Bottega Veneta. So if you want to find out everything about this newest it bag of 2022 and don't want to be left behind, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin. Alright, so for bag number 1 would be from Louis Vuitton. This would be the Louis Vuitton East-West bag. So this one is designed by Nicola Ghesquiere for Spring-Summer 2022. So currently, it is now available at Louis Vuitton stores and at louisvuitton.com. So the price of this one, hopefully you don't mind I'm looking this way. The price of this one is $6,500 US. So you may be asking why I'm including it to the newest it bag of 2022 since we already have the Petite Malle. So there is actually a difference. So firstly guys, I'm sure every one of us wants to add a Louis Vuitton trunk and display it at our homes, but we all know that Louis Vuitton trunk may be small, medium, or big, large. It is still very expensive. That is why I'm so happy when they have designed the Petite Malle. Unfortunately, the con of the Petite Malle, it is very small. I've tried it also in person. You can fit very little, plus the price is very expensive. That is why enter the Petite Malle East-West bag. So the East-West meaning, you know, it's longer lengthwise, because if we are going to compare the dimension from the original, the length of that one is only 7.9 inches length. And then the East-West Petite Malle, the length of this one is 10.6 inches. So it means that you have an extra 2.5 inches wherein you can fit a lot more inside. So definitely, I super love that one. So of course, since you can carry it a lot, then you are going to bring down the cost per wear. Well, another thing that I love about the East-West Petite Malle is the 2 shoulder straps that it comes with. So definitely, it still comes with the thinner shoulder strap. Then it comes with the it comes with the shorter but thicker guitar strap. So definitely this shorter shoulder strap is a game changer, because I feel like, for example, you would want to carry this at a very formal evening event, and you don't want to carry it as a clutch, then definitely you could use that shorter shoulder strap and carry it as a shoulder bag. That's why I super love. And definitely guys, my recommendation, so for example, right now at louisvuitton.com, the price of Petite Malle is $5,700 US before tax, and the Petite Malle East-West is now priced at $6,500 US. So just couple of hundred more, you are going to get an upgraded version of the well-loved Petite Malle. So again, you can carry it with you. Very stylish, very chic, and definitely a collector's item and recommended for 2022. Alright, so for bag number 2 is from Christian Dior. So it is the Lady Joy bag. So this is another newer addition to the Lady Dior family. So it's like a cousin or a sister. So it is a Spring-Summer 2022 design of Dior. So it's actually Walk the Runway as well. So it is now available at your local Dior boutiques and at Dior.com. So currently it is priced at $4,000 USD. So it's like the East-West version of the Lady Dior, because again, comparing the size, the nearest size that we could compare the Lady D Joy bag is with the Lady Dior medium. So again, let me look at my notes. So the dimension of the medium, so the length of the medium is 9.5 inches in length and the depth is 4.5. So the difference with the Lady D Joy, the length of the newer bag is 10 inches, but again, the depth is very, very thin. It's just only 2 inches. One pro or thing that I love about the Lady D Joy, aside from the price, because comparing the two prices, surprisingly, the Lady D Joy bag is a little bit more affordable. It's only 4,000 USD. But the Lady Dior medium size, it is 5,900 USD before tax. So, like what I was saying a while ago, what I love about the Lady D Joy is it comes with not just one, but it comes with 2 shoulder straps. So both of these straps are fully detachable. The first one is a chain link shoulder strap with the leather piece here. So that is a little bit shorter, wherein you could carry this bag as a shoulder bag. And then it comes also, they are calling it the adjustable and removable technical fabric shoulder strap. So I'm not really sure why they are calling it that technical fabric strap. Maybe it's with the construction, or there is, you know, something special with this longer technical fabric strap. But again, you could, with this strap, you would be able to carry it as a crossbody or as a longer shoulder strap. For this one, they are saying that the Lady Dior doesn't hold value, but for me, if, for example, if I would be purchasing something from Dior, it's either I would just be purchasing their classic styles, of course, the Lady Dior's, the saddle, but definitely the Lady Dior is their more classic style. And then of course the Lady D Joy is part of that family. So I feel that if, for example, you're going to add this newer bag, definitely it would still hold, the value would still hold and you would not lose as much. And I feel that this bag would be hot because it's something fresh, it's something different on the normal and regular look of the Lady Dior. So definitely I recommend the Lady D Joy to you guys. Alright, so for bag number 3, it is from Fendi, and it is their Fendigraphy bag that was released for Spring-Summer 2022. So as we know, guys, Fendi has been very good in releasing the new It bag. So for 2021, they have released the Fendi First, and everyone knows what Fendi First is, and it took actually the fashion world by storm. So everyone who's who in the fashion world, influencers, celebrities, everyone fell in love with the Fendi First. So for this year, for Spring Summer 2022, they have released the Fendigraphy bag. So it is now available at your local Fendi stores and fendi.com. So currently it is priced at 2,390. It comes in 2 sizes. So we have the small, so that is the 2390, and then it comes with the Nano Fendigraphy, and the price of that one is 1,290 USD before tax. So this is made of 100% calfskin leather, and this is the Fendi's take of the very huge hobo bag sensation that is, you know, every luxury house right now has their own version of the hobo bag, but I feel the hobo bag of Fendi is a little bit more successful because this is super trendy, guys. So if you love, you know, trendy pieces, fashion forward pieces, then this could be yours. Because just like the Fendi First, I'm predicting everyone would want to carry this one, because the difference with this one, it comes with the huge Fendi logo. Although this logo can actually be a double-edged sword. So for example, if you want the bag to be a little bit more discreet, then carry the Fendigraphy as a top handle bag, because the logo is underneath. No one would know that is a Fendi bag. But if, for example, you are feeling the bag, you're feeling yourself, and then you're like, hey, this is a Fendi bag, so carry it around your shoulders. And of course, aside from the small, let us not forget the micro or the nano Fendigraphy bag. It's so cute because you could carry it on your wrist as an accessory, and I believe that you, of course, it is a bag, so you could put maybe your credit card, your bills, your keys. Again, a smaller version but packs a punch. And again, I am predicting that this bag would be very huge, and if you want to be very trendy, or if you want to add trendy bags to your collection, I would highly recommend the Fendigraphy bag for the spring-summer 2022. Alright, so for bag number 4 would be from Balenciaga. So it would be their Balenciaga Hourglass bag. So this is not something new, but I'm still adding it here because there is no sign the Balenciaga Hourglass bag is slowing down. So as we know, this is a Kardashian family approved. So especially with Kim Kardashian, you could see her everywhere carrying the Hourglass bag encrusted in crystal. And of course, my super idol, Carrie Bradshaw, we have seen her carrying on the And Just Like That movie wherein she is carrying the Hourglass bag hacked with the hacker project of Gucci. So of course, if SJP or Carrie Bradshaw is carrying it, who am I to say no for the Balenciaga Hourglass bag? So the Hourglass bag has been with the house. This is their more of the classic styles. It has, you know, a wide range. So it comes with different materials. It comes with different sizes from micro, extra small, small, medium. So for us, I have done an unboxing and a review wherein I have unboxed I believe the size would be an extra small Balenciaga. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to link it up here and put it on the description box. But currently, what I really wanted to add to my collection is what Kim is wearing. So that is the Hourglass encrusted with rhinestone, and at Balenciaga.com, it is $5,500 US. Unfortunately, it is out of stock, but definitely I would want to add this collection for a couple of reasons. So for example, me personally, I love a good top handle bag. So of course, as much as I wanted to have a Kelly bag of Hermes, so that is, you know, the holy grail of holy grail. But as we know, the Kelly bag is a little bit, you know, more structured, more serious. So if you wanted to have like a Kelly bag but a little bit more fun, a little bit on the trendy side, then definitely the Balenciaga Hourglass bag would be for you. So if you don't want it to be crystal encrusted, then you could choose from their wide variety of materials and different varying size. So for me, I would definitely love to carry this one as a top handle bag. And then if I feel like, you know, I feel that what I'm wearing is a little bit on the casual side, then I would be using the crossbody strap that it comes with. Then since that is fully detachable, then definitely you can style it with different straps that you have. So definitely guys, if you want to have, you know, a trendy top handle bag, the Balenciaga Hourglass bag would be worthy to add to your collection. Alright, so for bag number 5 would be from Bottega Veneta. I brought my notes here. So it is what they call the KALIMERO. So this is the fall-winter 2022 and the very first bag design of their newer creative director, Matthew Blazy. So again, this is for fall-winter 2022. So it would be released the last quarter of this year. So the reason why I'm adding it here, although yes, it would be released late 2022, I feel guys this would be very, very huge for a couple of reasons. So again, the KALIMERO is a woven entirely by hand without being sewn. So like what I mentioned, this is the first design of Matthew Blazy, the new creative director of the house. And actually, this is what inspired the entire collection of Bottega for fall-winter 2022. So it is available in 4 colors currently. So the Barolo or the brown, then the cup or the one that is color rust, then it comes in bone, and it comes in color butter as well. So this is not yet available, but it is available via pre-order for a limited time at BottegaVeneta.com. It's 100% calfskin in this is online, so you are just going to get 100% leather when you are going to carry this bag. So the reason why I'm adding it here, because again guys, this is such an artisanal piece. So like what I mentioned, it is not sewn, so everything is woven entirely by hand in the design of this one. So it is a like a bucket slash basket bag. So there is one strap here wherein you could carry it as a shoulder strap, and then you could carry it just like here with the model. You could carry it, you know, a little bit more Instagram worthy by carrying it so differently. So this is a very different design. So as you know, Bottega last year and for a couple of years has released, you know, some major huge it bags. So we have the pouch bag, we have the cassette bag, and they have, or the past creative director has actually made the intricate weave a little bit more contemporary, a little bit modern. So this KALIMERO bag is also using that style but on a different take. It's super fresh, and I feel honestly guys that you are going to see everyone to be carrying this last quarter of 2022. So if you want to add one, definitely pre-order now via BottegaVeneta.com. Alright, so that sums up our 5 bags that would be the new it bags of 2022. Guys, join the conversation. I would love to hear from each and every one of you. Do you agree with my thoughts? Do you feel that these 5 bags would be huge hit for 2022? And if so, which bag would you like to want to add to your collection? Please do comment down below. Alright, so again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be part of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Revies so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I will be leaving a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I will see you soon. Bye!